There's one question regarding IoT. Can IoT help to detect potholes on the roads? This question is by Zainab Muhammad Saleh. And I said yes. In fact, there's one implementation in Panama. What they did is that they designed a sensor, have pressure sensors, and it's able to tweet whenever a car roll over this particular sensor. So they call it a tweeting pothole. It is in Panama. What happened is that they are very frustrated in terms of the local municipals responding. They did not even respond quickly the complaints about potholes on their roads. So what happened, there's an initiative, they put the sensors in all these potholes, and whenever a car rolled over the pothole, it will say that, hey, an old lady's cars have been broken, because it goes into the pothole. It tweets to the whole world. So in a way, it gives a shame to the city themselves, saying that they are not doing their job. So that's a tweeting pothole. A new initiative, even we have done previously. I have done with my researchers previously that we have put some algorithm on our smartphone, and when you put the smartphone on the dashboard, and whenever the dashboard rolls over a pothole, it detects that hole's vibration, and it will geotag the areas of the roads where roads are very bad. But it doesn't work 100% because, as you know, when people are trying to drive, they will drive carefully and avoid the potholes. So you might not detect all the potholes, but if there's no way for you to move around, then definitely you will get detected. So that's the questions about the potholes.